Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to copy the data from the on-premises to cloud. How to do that with Azure Data Factory. Okay, I will create a pipeline. So I'm giving the pipeline name pipeline copy on-prem to cloud. Okay, so here after that I'm going to use the copy data. The copy data is useful for the activity to copy the data from the one location to another target location. Okay, this is the source is nothing but the where you are getting the data. Okay, the sink is nothing but where you are after get the data you are going to store in some target location, that is the Azure SQL database. Okay, this is on-premises, this is the Azure SQL database. So how to connect the both of them? Okay, I will show. First of all, new I'm going to create a new on-premises SQL server. Okay, I'm going to connect. Okay, SQL server, this is the data set underscore on-premises SQL database. Okay, so after that you need to use the link service. Okay, the link service and the table name. Okay, this link service is provided to communicate with the resource. Okay, and you can see products, select on the products. Okay, if you don't know the link service, and I will show once a small step. You can see this is a link service. When you want to communicate with the link service, okay, for example I want to communicate with the on-premises database. So you can see, so Azure Runtime Integration Runtime, in my previous video already I made a video on the integration runtime. Currently we are using the self-host integration runtime. Here I'm going to connect with the on-premises database, SQL database, which is in your machine with the linked service. Okay, here you have to mention your SQL database. Here you can see these details. Okay, SQL database details you have to mention here, and you have to connect via linked service. I hope you got it. Okay, again we are going to our work. Okay, in this copy database, this is a source location. I'm going to create a one SQL server. Okay, so I'm going to give a name on-prem SQL server. Okay, this is a link to service already I have shown before just a minute back. Okay, and the loading the tables. Actually I want to work with the table name the products. I'm going to copy this whole products. Okay, and click on OK. Sorry, data set with the name already exists. Okay, I'm going to on-premises server 1. Okay, again we will work on the sync service. Okay, sync is nothing but where you are going to store your data. After you get the data from the on-premises, you are going to store into somewhere else, the target location, that is the Azure SQL database. Okay, Azure SQL database, you need to configure this. Okay, link service. And another thing I want to show here, you have to create the two link service. One is to communicate with the on-premises, and another one you have to communicate with the SQL database. Okay, Azure SQL database. The two I will show. You can link service. Yeah, already I have created a one link service that is going to communicate with our Azure SQL database. You have to mention here the fully qualified domain name and the Azure database, and the authentication type and username and password, and after that you have to test the connection. And another thing you have to keep in mind, if you want to communicate with the SQL database in the cloud, you have to a firewall setting. So you can see the firewall settings. This is the SQL server. Again I'm going to SQL server. You can see, click on this SQL server and click on this and go to the firewall settings. Okay, without firewall allow you can't do anything. Okay, see, allow Azure services to resources access this server. Okay, click on yes, otherwise you can't access that. Okay, later again we get back to our work. In the sync service, again I'm going to Azure SQL database. Okay, and the link service already I have shown 1 minute back. This link service is going to communicate with the cloud. Okay, Azure SQL database. So actually I want to create a new table in the Azure SQL database. Already I have in the on-premises, so I want to copy that table into I want to copy into Azure SQL database with the separate name, with the separate name. Okay, so dbo dot products copy. Okay, this product copy is where it will store Azure SQL database with this new table. Okay, click on OK. Now what do I have to do? Go to the source. Okay, use query as a table. The sync data, yeah, here you have to this radio button, click on this radio button because we are creating auto create the table. Okay, everything has done. Now we will validate the pipeline. After that we have to debug this. Before that I will show one thing. Actually I am copying this, sorry products. Okay, actually I want to copy this all items which is in the products table. I'm going to copy into the Azure SQL database. Okay, yeah, you can see yeah, row read is 116. Okay, the data is copied successfully. Now we will go whether the data is existed in the Azure SQL database. Okay, this is Azure SQL server. In the SQL server, search for the Azure SQL database. Yeah, this is our SQL database, and go to the query editor and type the table. Yeah, you can see we have given the name, the products copy. Where is it? Yeah, that is in the configuration. Okay, yeah, you can see. Yeah, you can see the tables once. Yeah, 54 is copied. This is the way we are going to copy the data from the on-premises to cloud. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, if you want to communicate with the if you want to copy the store procedures or anything, you have a lot of option here. Okay, but currently we are copying the table only. Okay, thank you so much.